Hello, my name is Nancy. This is my sign name. Welcome to Deaf and Hard of Hearing Services Kids Camp. Are you ready to have a lot of fun this week? Me too. But hold on. Do you see where we are today? We're at Blandford Nature Center. I'll be signing BNC for that. Are you ready to look around and see what they have here? But wait. Last year, do you remember? At Kids Camp, we had a special friend. That's right, it was Kenny the monkey. Do you think he's here again? He is here. You're gonna have to help me look for Kenny, because sometimes he might be hiding over here or over there, or maybe down on the ground, so you have to look for him. Okay. You ready, Kenny? Are you guys ready? I am too. Let's go. So we're here at the Blandford Nature Center farm, and this is the sign for farm. Do you know what they usually have on a farm? Animals. And what do animals live in? Yep, they live in barns. The sign for barn is this. Do you want to see what animals are inside the barn? Me too. Come on. Hey Kenny, are you ready to go inside the barn? Me too, let's go. Look at what's over here. Do you know what kind of animals these are? They're chickens. And the sign is this. Chicken. So there are hens, and then there are roosters. Today, there aren't any roosters. So all of these chickens are hens. Are you ready to see them? Let's go in. Look what's over here. I found an egg. Ooh, so exciting. We can gather eggs from the chickens. And then they give the eggs to families so that they can eat them. Do you know what the sign is for egg? It's like this. Egg. These hens are hungry. Shall we feed them? We're gonna go see what other animals they have. Are you ready? I am too. Let's go. Look at what's over here. Do you know what kind of animal this is? It's a goat. And the sign is goat, like this. They eat leaves, twigs. Here at Blandford Nature Center, they feed them hay and grain. So the farm here has these goats for a reason, and it's for milk. And the sign for milk is like this. With the goat milk, you can make many things like cheese, soap, and others. But with the goat milk, you can also drink it. And now we're gonna go and see another animal that they have. Are you ready? I am too. Let's go. Look at these. Do you know what kind of animal this is? These are sheep. The sign is like this. Sheep. They look very similar to goats, but they are actually sheep. Do you know why the sign sheep is signed like that? It's because of the fur on their body. It's gonna grow out and be very thick. And when it's the right time, they're going to be shorn. The farmers will come and do that. I'm gonna show you the wool that comes off of them too. This is wool. It comes off of the sheep. Once the farmer shears it, it looks like this. So I've shown you the wool that comes up off of a sheep, but what do they do with it after that? Well, you can make blankets, jackets, and so many other things with the wool. That's amazing.